Hello, my dear student. In previous video, we have discussed the two-level laser system of rate equation. Then in this video, we have discussed the laser rate equation in three-level laser system. In two-level laser system, we have considered the two level E1 and E2 and which have populated by N1 and N2. But in this three-level laser system, we consider the three level. We consider the three level, that is E1, E2, E3, and which is populated by N1, N2, N3. These are the three level E1, E2, E3, and that three level which are populated, and in that level E1, that is a ground state, number of atoms is N1. In E2 level, number of atoms is N2, and E3 level is number of atoms in N3. That means that three level E1, E2 and E3 which are populated by N1, N2 and N3 atoms per unit volume. Okay, because population are the number of atoms per unit volume. Then in that lasing action, that is the N0 be the total number of atoms. N0 be the total number of atom, and that total number of atom is equal to N1 plus N2 plus N3. Equation number 1. This N0 is the total number of atoms in that three level lasing action, and that N1 is the number of atoms or population at E1, N2 is the number of atoms in E2 or population at E2, and N3 is the population at E3 or number of atoms in energy level E3. Then we have seen the rate equation. We have seen the rate of change of that rate equation, or the rate of change of atomic density of E3 level, E2 level and E1 level one by one, and we write the rate equation and then we calculate. Okay, then first the rate equation, the rate of change of or rate equation of the which, that is the energy level E3. We first find out the rate equation of energy level E3, then therefore the rate one by one, the rate of change of atomic density N3. We are considered the number of atoms, or we also considered that E3 density N3 has the following components. Okay, we have discussed that a rate equation, to calculate that rate equation in that energy level E3 of number of atoms N3. Then we consider that E1 is the ground state energy, and that atoms stay in that ground state energy. That atom absorb the energy, that atom or that light incident on that atom, and that atom absorb the energy and jumps into the which state? Jumps into the excited state, that is the E3. And generally that E2 state is known as a metastable state. Generally that E2 state as a metastable state, but that atom in the stay in ground state, the incident light on that atom absorb that energy and jumps into the E state. Then first component are the pump, that means pumping. These are the pumping process. The pump transition to E3, which raise atoms from the ground level E1 given by which equation? That WP. This is the transition, that is a WP transition, pumping transition, that is the N1 minus N3. Then we are discuss the rate of change of atomic density in which level? E3 level. That pump transition, it will be the incident light, and that atoms jumps into the that level E3. That means that transition between 1 to 3. Transition at WP n minus 1. That means atom jumps into the ground state to the excited state, that is the E3. Ground state E1 to E3. That's why that is the plus. Why? Because E3 varti, that in E3, then E3 energy level E3, the atoms goes on increasing. That's why this quantity will be plus. That is the first component. Then these jumps atom in the excited state, but that atom do not stay more than 10 raised to minus 8 second in that level, and it is goes back to the, some atoms goes back to the E1 and some atom goes back to the E2. Okay, some atom goes back to the E1 and some atom goes back to the E2. Then second component, the non radiative spontaneous transition to the level E2 is given by S32N3. That means the atoms goes back to the energy level E3 to E2. That means atom E3 to level energy level E3 to E2. That's why that means that energy level atom कुठे येते आता, second non-radiative spontaneous transition to the level E2 is given by S32, and that will be the negative. Why it will be the negative? Because आता फर्स्ट केसमध्ये काय होत होतं की ॲटम्स कुठं आले होते E3 वरती, त्याच्यामुळे ॲटम्स काय होत आहे, इन्क्रीज होत आहे. दॅट्स वाय दॅट विल बी द प्लस. बट in non-radiative spontaneous transition, some atoms goes to the energy level E1 and goes to the energy level E2. In that non-radiative spontaneous transition to the level E2 is given by, that means E3. आता आपण रेट कोणता बघतोय, एनर्जी लेवल E3 चा बघतोय. मग E3 वरती काय होत आहे, ॲटम काय होत आहे, डिक्रीज होत आहे. दॅट्स वाय दिस क्वांटिटी, दॅट मीन्स दॅट ट्रान्झिशन, दॅट स्पॉन्टेनियस ट्रान्झिशन फ्रॉम एनर्जी लेवल E3 टू E2 कुठे चालले, E3 पासून तर E2, E3 पासून निघाले आणि कुठं आले, एनर्जी लेवल E2 पर्यंत. दॅट्स वाय दॅट विल बी द निगेटिव्ह. अँड थर्ड component, the spontaneous transition. This is the non-radiative and this is the spontaneous transition to the level E1 given by A31N3. Okay, some atoms goes back to the energy level E2 and some atoms goes back to the energy level E1. That's why in that the atoms will be decreased in energy level E3 and goes back to the energy level. That means that's transition, this A31, that will be the transition from energy level E3 to E1. That's why the atoms will be decreased in E3 state. Then that means this A31N3 will be negative. That will be the negative. Why? Because we have discussed the rate of change of atomic energy. कशाची बघतोय, एनर्जी लेवल E3 ची. आता फर्स्ट केसमध्ये काय होत होतं की ॲटम्स इकडे जास्त होत होते, बिकॉज आपण पंपिंग करतोय. देन नेक्स्ट स्पॉन्टेनियस नॉन रेडिएटिव्ह स्पॉन्टेनियस ट्रान्झिशन, दॅट ॲटम्स कम बॅक टू द एनर्जी लेवल E2. दॅट्स वाय इथले ॲटम्स काय होत आहे, कमी होत आहे. अनादर स्पॉन्टेनियस ट्रान्झिशन E3 पासून कुठे येतात, E1, म्हणजे इकडे काय होतं, डिक्रीज. दॅट्स वाय दिस टू क्वांटिटी आर द निगेटिव्ह. देन द रेट इक्वेशन, therefore the rate equation for N3, that means energy level E3, can be written as dN3 by dt is equal to, first will be that will be the Wp will be plus Wp in bracket N1 minus N3, and that next quantity will be negative A31 N3 minus S32 N3. This is the equation number 2. These are the rate of change of atomic density N3 has the following components. These 3 following components. Then next, the rate of change of atomic density in which level? E2 level. Okay. Then therefore the rate of change of atomic density N2 has the following components. Then first, the rate of change of atomic density N2 has the following component. First, the stimulated emission to E1. Then we have discussed the rate of change of atomic density in which level? E2, which have population N2. Then stimulated emission to E1, which produce laser light given by W21 N2 minus N1. W21 N2 minus N1, and this quantity will be negative. Why? Because atoms in this E1, E2, E3, N1, N2, N3, these atoms, the stimulated emission to E1 which produce a laser light, that means that atoms, that it will be the goes to the N2, and in that atom, but in this step, these atoms absorb energy and jumps into that state, but it do not state more than 10 raised to minus 8, and it come back to that state or that E2 state. But this N2 is usually known as a metastable state, and that lifetime of that metastable is 10 raised to minus 3, which is greater than the 10 raised to minus 8. And then after complete that time, it will be goes back to the N1. But in that process, in that stimulated emission, that emits the light, that emits the photon light, and that will be the laser. That's why the transition between the atoms from energy level E2 to E1, N2 minus N1, that means this in this E2 level, the atoms will be decreased. That's why this quantity will be negative. This quantity will be negative. Then second component, the spontaneous emission, to the level E1 given by A21 N2. Okay, the spontaneous emission to the level is given by A21 N2. That means that probability that which atoms from energy level E2 to E1, that means in that energy level E2, the atoms will be decreased. That's why it will be the negative. And third component will be, we have discussed the rate of change of atomic density in which level? Energy level E2. The third component, the spontaneous transition from the level E3 given by, and this is the S32N3. That means the spontaneous transition from S3. We have discussed the rate of change of atomic density in energy level N2. Okay, in that spontaneous transition, the atoms from energy level, that transition from energy level E3 to E2. That's why द ॲटम्स कुठे येणार, E2 वरती येणार. कुठे येणार, E2 वरती. आणि दॅट देन E2 वरती ॲटम्स काय होणार, इन्क्रीज होणार. दॅट्स वाय दिस इज द प्लस. दिस ट्रान्झिशन और दिस terms is the plus, and therefore the rate equation, right, the rate equation, the rate equation for N2 can be written as dN2 by dt is equal to minus, this quantity will be negative 2 1 N2 minus N1, this plus quantity S32 N3, and that will be the minus 2 1 N2. Why this is minus? Because we have discussed the rate of change of in energy level E2, and in that term the atoms goes on decreasing in energy level E2, because atoms move from 2 to energy level 2 to energy level 1. Why this is plus? Because atoms move from energy level E3 to E2. That's why, that means the in energy level E2 the atoms goes on increasing in that term, and it will be negative. Why? 2 पासून कुठे येत आहे, ट्रान्झिशन कुठे, एनर्जी लेवल 2 पासून 1 पर्यंत. दॅट मीन्स 1 वरती इन्क्रीज होणार आणि 2 वरती काय होणार, डिक्रीज. दॅट्स वाय इट विल बी द निगेटिव्ह, अँड दॅट विल बी द इक्वेशन नंबर 3. Okay, and then next we have discussed the rate of change of atomic density in E3 level, that or N2, N3 or N2. Then last one, the rate of change of atomic density N1 has the following components. Okay, then first the pump transition transfers atom to the level E3 is given by, okay, in that we have discussed the rate equation in energy level E1 of populated N1. In that first component, the pump transition transfer atom to the level E3 is given by, that will be the WP N1 minus N3. WP N1 minus N3, and this is the negative. Why? Because atoms डिस्कस कशाचं करतो आपण, एनर्जी लेवल रेट इक्वेशन, एनर्जी लेवल इव्हनचं. इन दॅट टर्म द ॲटम्स मूव फ्रॉम एनर्जी लेवल E1 टू E3. दॅट्स मीन्स E1 पासून कुठे जाता, E3 कडे. दॅट्स वाय एनर्जी E1 वरले हे ॲटम्स काय होणार, कमी होणार, डिक्रीज होणार, आणि कुठे इन्क्रीज होणार, E3 वरती. दॅट्स वाय इट विल बी द निगेटिव्ह. दॅट इज द WP N1 minus N3. And second one, the stimulated emission, the stimulated emission to the level E1 given by W21 N2 minus N1. W21 N2 minus N1. Okay, in that transition the atoms move from energy level E2 to E1, and we have discussed the rate equation in energy level E1. Then in that transition W21, that means the atoms move from energy level E2 to E1, then therefore the increase in atom in E1, that's why this will be the plus. And that third component are the spontaneous transition to the level E1 given by A21 N2. Second are W21 N2 minus N1, and third one are the spontaneous transition to the level E1 is given by A21 N2. The meaning of that, the atoms move from that transition of atom move from 2 to 1, and we have discussed the rate equation in energy level E1, and in that term the atoms move from energy level E2 to E1. That's why that term, that means energy level increase in atom in energy level E1, and therefore that term is also be positive, and therefore the rate equation, the rate equation for N1 can be written as therefore dN1 by dt is equal to minus Wp. This will be the minus Wp N1 minus N3 plus W21 N2 minus N1 and plus A21 N2. Okay, this is the equation number 4 into equation number 4. Okay, these are the three rate equation. In first is the rate equation in energy level, rate equation in energy level E1. These are the second are the energy level E2, and third are the in energy level E3. Okay, then under next part, under steady state condition, in steady state, in previous video we have discussed in steady state condition, that's why there is a no change in that population. That means that dN3 by dt is equal to 0, dN2 by dt is equal to 0, dN1 by dt is equal to 0. Okay, both are 0. Then we use, with the help of these, then we write from equation, equation 2, and equation 2 are that rate equation in energy level E1. Then dN3 by dt will be 0, and therefore 0 is equal to equation 2 are Wp N1 minus N3 minus A31 N3 minus S32 N3. Okay, these are the equation number 2. Then we solve that equation. Okay, then Wp multiply in bracket that Wp N1 minus Wp N3 minus A31 N3 as it is minus S32 N3 is equal to 0. Then N3, this three term N3 and N3 will be common. Wp N1 minus, then minus and N3 will be common, that Wp plus A31 plus S32 N3 is equal to 0. Then next term, this quantity will be plus, transform in that side, and therefore Wp N1 is equal to Wp plus A31 plus S32 N3. Okay, then we calculate the value of that N3. Then this term it will the multiply of N3 ला इकडे जाऊ काय होणार आहे ती डिवाइड होणार आहे, काय होणार आहे डिवाइड. then N3 is equal to, therefore N3 is equal to Wp N1 divided by Wp plus A31 plus S32. This N3 Wp N1 Wp A31 S32. S32. This is equation number 5. These are the equation number 5. Then as the probability of that spontaneous transition, this spontaneous transition from level 3 to level 2, that means 3 to level 2 excited state to that metastable state, each higher than the probability of spontaneous transition from level 3 to level 1. Why? Because the probability of spontaneous transition level E2 to 2 is higher than the probability of transition from level E2 to N1. In that three step, E1, E2, E3. This is the N1, N2, N3. Okay? In that processes, the atom jumps back to the incident energy and jumps back to the E2 state. In that time, 10 raised to minus 8 seconds more than, do not stay 10 raised to. And then rare atom goes back to the energy level E1, but number of atoms in energy level E2. And in the metastable state, and that the lifetime is a 10 raised to minus 3. 10 raised to minus 3 second. Then number of atoms, more than number of atoms, that means जास्त atoms कुठे येणार आहे, N2 वरती येणार आहे. कोणापेक्षा? that E2 एनर्जी लेवल E3 टू E1 पेक्षा कुठे येणार आहे, दॅट मीन्स प्रोबॅबिलिटी कोणाची जास्त असणार आहे, द ॲटम्स spontaneous transition from level E3 to E2 is higher, is greater from the level 3 to 1. Rare atom कुठे येणार आहे, इकडे खाली येणार आहे. बट सम ॲटम्स in number of atoms कुठे असणार आहे, in that energy level E2, and that is the metastable state. आणि इथे काय होतं, ते जास्त वेळ थांबतात because lifetime is a 10 raised to minus 3. That's why that A31 is less than S32. That because this probability will be increased, and in equation number 5 that A31 will be neglected, and therefore N3 is equal to WP N1 divided by WP plus A31 will be neglected because probability will be less, S32. Equation number 6, N3 is equal to WP N1 WP plus S32. Okay, then from equation 3 are the rate equation. Okay, then from equation 3 we get equation 3 are the this equation 3 that dN2 in steady state dN2 by dt will be 0. From equation 3 0 is equal to minus W21 N2 minus N1 plus S32 N3 minus A21 N2. Okay, A21 N2. Then we multiply minus W21, therefore minus W21 N2 minus plus W21 N1 plus S32 N3 minus A21 N2 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Then next step in that this term N2 and this term N2, and it will be the common minus and N2, and therefore minus W21 plus A21 N2, and remaining term as it is plus W21 N1 plus S32 N3 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Okay. Then this term, it will be the minus, this transform that side, it will be the plus, and therefore W21N1 plus S32N3 is equal to W21 plus A21 into, in that side this term will transform that side, it will be the plus, using the value of N3 from equation 6. Okay, equation 6 are the value of N3, and that is WP N1 WP S32. In above equation we get this W21 N1 plus S32 N3 value are equation number 6 are that WP N1 divided by WP plus S32 is equal to W21 plus A21 into. Okay. Then next, therefore W21 N1 plus S32 WP N1 divided by WP plus S32 is equal to W21 plus A21 into N2. Okay. N1 will be common, therefore W21 plus S32 WP divided by WP plus S32, N1 will be common, and therefore W21 plus A21 into. Okay, this W21 S32 WP plus WP S32 N1. Okay, then we get the reciprocal, in that WP plus S32 W21 plus S32 WP divided by WP plus S32. Okay, N1 as it is equal to W21 plus A21 into. Okay, then we calculate the ratio of, in that equation we calculate the ratio of N2 upon N1. N2 divided by, we in that multiply, transform in that side, multiply, and that quantity will be is multiply and it will be the divide, then is equal to this quantity as it is WP plus S32 W21 plus S32 WP divided by WP plus S32. Okay, and divided by that quantity W21 plus A21. W21 plus A21. In that next step it will be that quantity will be divided, and that N2 by N1, therefore N2 divided by N1 is equal to W21 in bracket WP plus S32 plus WP S32 whole divided by WP S32 W21 A21, the W21 plus A21, and that quantity W plus S32, that quantity WP plus S32. Okay, in that next step and that next calculation we have discussed in next video.